H5 plus 1, bus 01, you commence the runway 36.
Season's over now, it's gone 321.
So, very good, 396 over the Oslo established, ILS 33. Emirates 392, covering the coast. Can you approach, want to make 8, 725, 0 degrees, 8 knots. Can you approach, Emirates 392? Emirates 39, you may experience Alpha QNH 1009. Charlie 1 to horse 33, wide Alpha QNH 1009, and control 6 Charlie 253, taxi holding 1 Delta 4. Yankee report ready on tower 118.305. Then to follow close to control. Saudi 253, taxi Sam 55 center via Delta and Victor. Jacob is Sam 55 center via Delta Victor for the delivery. Perfect, 5 Yankee weather. Correct, 37 points to Alpha, runway 33, clear to land, first wind 310 degrees, 1 2 knots. Runway 33, clear to land, and it's 37 points to Alpha. 1.65 Yankee, there is definitely 1, maybe 2 to land before you would like to continue to Echo 1 or is the other one okay? Roger. 165 Yankee, the traffic at 7 miles there, Charlie 1 line up runway 33. Contact 9 Delta Yankee, are you on frequency?
Contact 9 Delta Yankee, establish 336 miles.
Contact 9 Delta Yankee, roger, continue approach, traffic to depart ahead on 1 to vacate, surface wind 310 degrees, 9 knots.
Continue, contact 9 Delta Yankee.
NX 37 Foxtrot Alpha, vacate Bravo, taxi holding point Alpha 6.
Bravo, Alpha 6, NX 37 Foxtrot Alpha.
That was massive. Was I seeing you? I can see the massive.
65 Yankee, traffic at 4 miles, surface wind 310 degrees, 9 knots, runway 33, clear to take off. NX 37 Foxtrot Alpha, you can taxi stand 15 via Delta and Whiskey.
15 Delta Whiskey, NX 37 Foxtrot Alpha.
So easy. We're going to get there. Sorry.
It's alright.
Contact 9 Delta Yankee, runway 33, clear to arm, surface wind 310 degrees, 17 knots. Delta Echo and Whiskey.
15 Delta Echo Whiskey, NX 37 Foxtrot Alpha.
Delivery, good afternoon. Romeo Hotel 08 minus. Side person 089, stand by.
Element 1 Delta, 6 miles final destination.
Element 1 Delta, continue approach 1 to vacate, surface wind 310 degrees, 9 knots.
Clear approach, Element 1 Delta.
7765 Yankee, contact radar 123.980, bye-bye.
Radar 123.980, sorry, Yankee, bye.
Side person 089, pass your message.
On General Aviation, Zulu, information on board. Destination Batango, Juliet, Hotel Juliet, ready for clearance.
Side person 089, information Alpha now current cleared to Istanbul, Hungap 1 night departure, squawk 4643.
Alpha, Hungap 1 Mike 4643. Start correction 089 and ready for engine startup.
Side person 089.
Runway 3 November 73403 knots, runway 33 clear to land.
Yeah, today that I'm ready to 3 November.